Okay, let's just start. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So yesterday, what we were doing, we did this. That how you are going to get coal, right? So this was the process. How we did first thing. The process is known as carbonization, right? And the process is this is how coal is being formed, and how you are going to extract it from the earth surface through coal mining. You are going to extract it, right? Now, formation of petroleum and the natural gas. Okay, so here over 300 million years ago, marine organism died and were buried in the ocean floor. So you can say petroleum and natural gas over here. We were not talking about any aquatic life, right? We were only talking about the normal land, okay, the terrestrial land. But here we are going to talk about the marine life. So what is happening? Basically, the organism or someone, they are dying over here and they are being buried in the ocean floor. Okay, and then over time they were covered with a layer of silt, because you know in oceans we have silt, rate in Hindi, right? And sand. Okay, then over millions of years they were buried deeper and deeper. The enormous heat, pressure and the absence of air turned them into oil and gases. So basically over and over, right, more and more silt and sand, okay, was coming up and they were buried being down, right? And due to absence of air and see, if they are being buried down, of course there will be the heat and pressure, right? And there will be no oxygen, no air. Because of this, these organisms, the dead organism, they turned out into oil and gas. Okay, and today we drill through layers of sand, silt and rock to reach the rock formation that contain gas and oil deposits. So through here, see, we people are here, right? From here we are going to go more deeper, then only you are going to get this gas and oil deposits. Clear? So what you will write? You will write hashtag formation of petroleum natural gas first, second, third, fourth. Okay.
Yes. Ma'am, I've written it down.
Okay, so now see this one. The largest coal mine in India is the Gerwa coal mine in Korba, which is in Chhattisgarh. Okay. So if someone will ask you name the largest coal mine in India, you are going to write this. Plus, if they will ask you like the largest coal mine in Asia, right? Then also the answer will be same. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So just make a box and write it over there.
Yes, ma'am, I've wrote it down.
Okay. Okay. Now you are going to do the uses of coal. Okay. So what are the uses of coal? First, it is used to generate heat energy in steam engines, iron boxes, cooking stoves, and furnaces. Right. So if you want to generate heat, then you are going to use coal. Then second, it is majorly used as a source of energy to generate electricity in thermal power plant. Okay. Next, byproducts such as coke, coal tar, and coal gas obtained by processing it are also the processing it are used in various applications. So coal is being used over here just to produce the byproducts. Okay, so you will write it down.
Ma'am, I wrote it down.
Okay. Now see, coal is processed using destructive distillation in which it is heated in the absence of air. So this is basically a process. If you want to like for example, you from here you are going to extract the coal, right? So in order to make it usable, you have to process it, right? So this is the process which is known as destructive distillation. Okay, clear? Okay.
Ma'am, so I mean, coal is isn't coal processed with the raw material inside the layers of soil?
No, this is a process. See, these are the product. Okay. So see, powdered coal is heated at high temperature in the absence of air. Okay, clear? And then coke byproduct is being formed. Then boiling tube. Then cold water. This coal gas and coal tar. See, you are not going to use the coal directly, right? You have to make,
Oh, okay,
like
ma'am.
for example, you have to make the byproduct. So how you are going to make the byproduct? Through this. So coal is processed for further use with the process of destructive distillation. Clear?
Understood, ma'am.
Okay, so you'll just write this heading, and just that's it. Wait.
Ma'am, I've wrote it down.
Okay. Now see, the properties and the uses of the main product. See, through this process, you are going to produce something, right? Maybe coal gas, maybe coal tar, anything. So, what are the properties of those things? So, first of all, first you are going to produce coke. Okay. So, what is like? How you will say this is a coke? It is solid, it is tough, porous, and black. Porous means it has holes. Okay, and it is purest
It
form of
has
coal. This,
holes.
yeah, porous means like you can say a little bit hole from which air is being passed, right? So that is porous.
Okay.
And next, so what are the uses of this coke? It is used for extraction of metal. So if you want to extract metals from inside the earth, then you are going to use it. It is used to process the manufacturing steel. Okay, so if you want to process the steel, that's also. Second one is coal tar. So it is thick black liquid and it has unpleasant smell. Okay. Uses, it is used for the construction of road, right? It is used to obtain naphthalene balls, which are used to repel insects and moths. We keep this naphthalene balls inside our clothes, right? Especially the warm clothes. Next, the raw material used in the preparation of dyes, drugs, perfume, paint, synthetic fiber. This also, like here, you are going to use the coal tar. Okay. Third one is your coal gas. So it is the mixture of hydrogen and other gases, and the gases present in coal gas are combustible. That means they catch fire. And where you're going to use it? It is used as a fuel in many industries. Clear? So what you will write? You will write properties and uses of product obtained from destructive distillation. Properties and uses of product obtained from destructive distillation. Okay. Properties and uses of products obtained from destructive distillation. Then Like this, we'll make a chart. Or you can do it like this. Write number one, Coke. Just write, you can see my screen. Just write Coke. Then write
Yeah, I'm
uses.
going to do that.
After,
I'm going to do like that.
yeah, and then the properties or the uses.
Ma'am, I've written it down. Ma'am?
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah. Okay. So now we are going to do few things. Okay. About petroleum. Okay. So petroleum,
Okay.
unlike coal, mhm, unlike coal, petroleum or crude oil cannot be used in its natural form as it is very thick and mixture. So these are the few points about petroleum. Okay. Like coal, you can use it. Like just by processing, you can use it, but you cannot use petroleum directly because it is very thick. So you can get a question like this as well. Why cannot you use it petroleum in its natural form? Okay. Next, hence it is separated into consistent in a refinery. So these are the mills where petroleum is being separated. The process of separating petroleum or crude oil into usable component is known as refining of petroleum. Right?
Okay.
The refining of petroleum is done by fractional distillation. Over there, it was destructive distillation, but here it is
Yes,
fractional.
fractionation.
And the various components obtained are known as fractions. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir. You can write it down. Just write petroleum
Okay.
and first point, second, and like this. Okay? In points, just write it down.
Holy pen करके repeat इसका Ma'am, I've wrote it down.
Okay, sir. So next we'll be doing in the next class, we'll be doing this fractional distillation. Okay. So now what you will do, you will quickly revise whatever we did today. And I hope you are learning the thing side by side. Yes, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because you have to take out time, like 15 minutes, like because on daily basis, I'm not giving you that much work, right? Only 1 or 2 pages. So I am expecting that you are learning for science, right?
Yes, ma'am. So after this, after fractional distillation, we'll do question answers.
No, we have a lot many things to do, no? Fractional distillation, then this something about future, right? Then we are going to do fossil fuels, how you are going to measure that consumption and all that. Then we are going to do few like words, like the meanings of few words. Though we have done that, just a revision. I'll take, I guess, one more class for this, and then we will be done. So tomorrow I'm planning to take your maths because we'll just start with the exponent and power. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So tomorrow we'll do maths, and after that we'll just cover it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So you can quickly revise it and let me know if you are not getting anything.
Ma'am, can you just go to the uses of coal once? I think I've missed a word in writing. Not, ma'am, not not that. A bit above, a bit above. Yes, ma'am. So, the products. Ma'am, can you explain the third point?
Yes. See, byproducts such as coal tar, and coal gas obtained by processing it and used for various applications. So, what are the uses of coal? You are not directly using it, right? You are going to process it, and then you are going to get these products like coke,
Oh,
coal
okay,
tar,
understood,
and
understood.
coal gas, and they have their different uses, right?
Yes.